In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your Squarespace subscription. Whether you're looking to take a break, cut costs, or simply move your website to another platform, cancelling your Squarespace subscription might be on your to-do list. And you've come to the right place because I'm here to walk you through that process step by step. Let's dive in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. It's pretty straightforward. Just type squarespace.com into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the Squarespace homepage, which is your starting point to gaining access to your account settings. The next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the sign-in page where Squarespace offers different methods for logging in. For our purposes, we're going to focus on using the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if you've originally set up your Squarespace account with your Google account, making the sign-in process seamless. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace subscription. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, this step will be as simple as clicking on the correct Google account. Next, it's time to access your website settings. Squarespace will direct you to your main account dashboard once you're logged in. Here you'll find all the websites you manage. Navigate to the specific website for which you want to cancel the subscription. You'll typically find a Settings option associated with each website on your dashboard. Once in your website settings, your next move is to click on the Billing option. This section manages all your billing information and subscription details. Squarespace has designed this part of the website to be user-friendly, so finding the billing option should be straightforward. When you're in the billing section, look for subscriptions. This is where Squarespace lists all your active subscriptions, including your website subscription that you're looking to cancel. Upon clicking on subscriptions, you'll be taken to a page that gives you the full view of your Squarespace subscription details. Here's where things can look a bit different depending on whether you're on a free trial or a paid plan. For those on a paid plan, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. It's important to note that this option may appear differently for free accounts. Squarespace provides detailed instructions for each scenario, ensuring that you have the information you need to proceed. If you're on a free trial and looking to cancel, the process will be slightly different but just as easy to complete. By following these steps, you can cancel your Squarespace subscription in a few minutes. Remember, once you cancel your subscription, your site will no longer be live, and you might lose access to your content based on Squarespace's retention policies. It's always a good idea to back up any important content before you proceed with cancellation. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of cancelling your Squarespace subscription. Whether you're downsizing, taking a break, or simply moving on to different ventures, knowing how to manage your online presence is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back in for more tips and tutorials on managing your digital life effectively.